तेरे उत्ते मरता
तू गला बड़ी करदा वे करके बखा जा नेरे नेरे आ तू आजा सोनिया down down
I wanna see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer, she turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you calling
With
me
a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you calling me
पागल हमारा घर गली पागल आजा हमारा घर घर पागल हमारा घर गली पागल आजा हमारा घर घर पागल हमारा घर गली पागल आजा हमारा.
Hi guys, Happy Diwali. Today in my Diwali episode, I'm going to talk about going nude. Naughty thoughts you guys get, yeah? Not that kind of nude, guys. This kind of nude. Boy, am I excited to try, rather girl, am I excited to try out this new nude palette by Huda Beauty. It's just been launched in the stores, and since nude seems to be the in trend for this season in makeup, I also went ahead and got this Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in uncuffed, and I thought that this would be the best combination to use to create my Diwali look this year. So the palette comes in this lovely packaging, okay, and let's unbox it. And the box looks like this. Lovely shade of pink, opens up and has a mirror, a very handy mirror which I was actually using throughout the shooting, and as you can see, it has a fantastic array of both nudes and pinks. So there are mattes as well as the shiny and glittery, if you can see clearly, yeah, there you go, combinations. Now this particular one here is actually a concealer. I don't think anyone has actually got this idea of including a concealer in their palette, which is a fantastic idea, because most of us who do the cut crease know that you need a concealer to apply before you apply the glittery shade or any lighter shade with the darker color on the outside. And then you have of course the I would think more like a more granular glitter, and then you have some other shades which are just the normal glitter, but you will see in the tutorial as we go ahead that it's highly pigmented. You just need a little bit of color on your fingertips and you're good to go. And why I say fingertips is because Huda Beauty herself has said that she prefers to apply the glitter with her fingertips, and I believe so too. In fact, I just feel that especially with glitter on the eyelids, it's more easier to apply, and also some foundations and some concealers kind of just blend better with your fingertips. So use your hands.
I wanna see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer, she turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you calling me
With a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you calling me
पागल हमारा घर गली पागल आजा हमारा घर घर पागल हमारा घर गली पागल आजा हमारा घर घर पागल हमारा घर गली पागल आजा हमारा घर घर पागल हमारा घर
Oh baby, give me one more dance, one more dance, one more dance. Oh baby, we can make it last, make it last.
body like an hourglass. To the left, to the right, everybody in the club. I wanna see you, I wanna see you, I wanna see you wine like Rihanna. Get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling.
Bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling.
पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, पागल पागल।
Well, you don't have to be the last one standing. Well, show me you could be the one, one, one.
तू अखियाँ मिला के, तू मेरे नेड़े आजा, फिलहाल हिल पाके, नी तेरे उत्ते मरता।
तू गला बड़ी करदा, वे करके बखा जा। नेरे नेरे आ तू आजा, सोनिया, down, down.
I wanna see you wine like Rihanna. Get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling.
With a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, पागल पागल। Girl, I know you want me, तेनू तकिया तो हो गया प्यार वे। You don't believe me, तेनू दिल दा हाल सुना।
वे पीछे मेरे जाके, तू अखियां लड़ाइया। तू दिल नू चुरा के, तू चुड़ियां चलाइया।
तू गल बड़ी कर दी, आ तेनू समझावा।
नेरे नेरे आ तू आना, सोनिया, down, down.
I wanna see you wine like Rihanna. Get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling.
With a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, पागल पागल।
Oh baby, give me one more dance, one more dance, one more dance. Oh baby, we can make it last, make it last, make it last.
Keep it going, baby, just like that. Get your body like an hourglass. To the left, to the right, everybody in the club. I wanna see you, I wanna see you, I wanna see you wine like Rihanna. Get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
Bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गई पागल, पागल पागल।
करके बखा जा, नेरे नेरे आ तू आजा, सोनिया।
see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
With a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
पागल हमारा घर गली पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गली पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गली पागल, आजा हमारा घर घर घर। पागल हमारा घर गली पागल। God know you want me, तेरे तकिया तो हो गया प्यार वे। You don't believe me, तेनू दिल दा हाल सुना।
पीछे मेरे जाके तू अखियां लड़ाइया, तू दिल नु चुरा के तू चिड़िया चलाइया।
तू गल बड़ी कर दी, आ तेनू समझावा।
मेरे नेरे आ तू आना सोनिया, down down.
I wanna see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
I just added a couple of golden hearts to the sides of my eyes just because it's Diwali, so be big hearted, be generous, give lots of gifts. What was my overall perception and view on the palette? I love the colors, it's highly pigmented. I would recommend you to go for it if you like nudes and pinks. It's more on the pinkish side, there are not so many browns. So if you are a pink person, which I am, and you'll definitely love it. I do. I liked it. I love the glitter shades. The other glitter colors that she had in her previous palette, which was this one, was a little bit more difficult to apply, but these are more smooth in texture and, like I said, definitely more pigmented. You can be very creative with the different shades that she has included in it. What I really did love was the Stunna Lip Paint. As you can see, I have added a little bit of glitter just to shimmer it up a bit, but the Stunna Lip Paints, I've got the red one too, the texture is just awesome, and long lasting is an understatement. So I do intend to even go back and buy the other colors too. Okay guys, that's it for today. I do hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the review and the tutorial, and I hope also that you have a lovely Diwali. Happy Diwali guys from Shagufta Manna to you. Take care and see you soon.